Hey there, so this is another video in the calculus series. In this one, we are asked to basically differentiate the function 4x plus 7 and using all the annoying limit rules. Most people can do this in their head after a little while and they can just say, oh, it's 4, and they're done. But to go over the general strategy if you're new to this, you have to remember that the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. And a constant is just any number like 1, 2, 3, 76. Yeah. And the derivative of a first degree polynomial, so when you have an x, it's just 1. And finally, number 3, you don't really use in this question, but I put it on there just in case. All right, so we need to identify what we have, right? So we have 4x plus 7. The 4x is a first degree polynomial, and the 7 is a constant. The derivative of a constant is 0, and the derivative of a first degree polynomial is just 1. So you end up with 4 times 1 plus 0 equals 4, which just simply, yeah, this is a pretty short video compared to some of the other ones because it's just so simple. If this was useful, feel free to like this video and subscribe because I'll be uploading more from this chapter in the future. If there's a specific problem you need some help with, feel free to take a screenshot of the question, upload it to an image sharing website, and just post a link to it into the comments and I'll try to get around to it when I have time. Thank you very much.